Hello everyone, hope you're right. In today's video, I have planted this container with Echinacea white swan and Aster Dumosus. Echinacea white swan, also known as cornflowers, bear white daisy-like flowers with drooping petals and a large orange-green center on rigid stems. It's shorter than many other Echinacea varieties and it makes it perfect for growing in containers or the middle of herbaceous border. It has a long flowering season from June to September and it's extremely attractive to pollinators. It likes fertile, well-drained soil and a full sun position. It can grow up to 60 centimeter high and 45 centimeter wide. I have planted two echinacea plants in the middle of the container as a centerpiece, and I have planted 5 to 6 Aster plants around the rim of the container. Aster Apollo, also known as Michaelmas daisies, produce magnitude of elegant, white, long-lasting, daisy-like flowers from late summer into autumn. These produce ever-increasing clumps, which can be divided every 3 to 4 years. So they are ideal for covering the bare spots quickly. They can be grown in containers. Their maximum height and width is 25 centimeter. So I have planted this container as a perennial container. So both of the plants are perennial and both are white blooming. So basically an echinacea can grow taller than daisies. So I have planted echinacea in the middle and daisies around it. So I think this plant container will look absolutely beautiful once in bloom. So echinacea will start blooming first in June and then followed by daisies in late August, which means I can enjoy lovely blooms from June onward till late October, November, when the first frost comes, and I can trim them back and then they will come fresh next year. So you can also plant them in the ground, especially daisies, to cover the bare spots. They can act as a ground cover, and they are also ideal for growing under trees. And echinaceas and daisies both are absolutely beautiful plants, and I think they will produce a lovely show in my front yard. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my gardening videos. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.